Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you. Where can I buy a ticket?
At that machine.
I see it now. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thanks a lot. Which platform do we need?
Platform 4.
Let's go there. Is the train on time?
Yes, it is.
That's good. How much is the ticket?
It's $5.
That's cheap. Can I park here?
Yes, you can.
Perfect. Where is Main Street?
Go straight ahead.
Thank you. Is this the airport shuttle?
No, it isn't.
I'll wait here. When is the next bus?
In 10 minutes.
Not too long. Should we cross now?
No, wait for the light.
Okay. Is there a taxi nearby?
Yes, over there.
I see it. Which subway line do we need?
The blue line.
Got it. Is traffic bad today?
Yes, very bad.
We may be late. Can I use my card here?
Yes, you can.
That's easy. Is this our stop?
Yes, it is.
Let's get off. How far is the station?
About 2 blocks.
That's close. Can I walk there?
Yes, it's safe.
Good to know. Is the airport busy?
Yes, it is.
Let's hurry. Where do I check in?
At counter 6.
Thank you. Is this road open?
No, it's closed.
We'll go around. Do we need a transfer?
Yes, 1 transfer.
Okay. Can I bring this bag?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. Is the train crowded?
Not right now.
That's nice. Where is the bus stop?
Across the street.
Thanks. Do we have enough time?
Yes, we do.
That's a relief. Is this the right ticket?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. What time does it leave?
At 3:30.
I'll be ready.